Hey fish people, welcome back to the channel. I'm coming at you with my 365 days of fish keeping series. That means I will be posting one video a day for all of 2022, highlighting a fish, a plant, a fish food, equipment, anything fish related. These videos are going to be real quick snapshots of the subject for the day. If we're talking about fish or plants, or a quick synopsis with a little care guide. Same with food or equipment. I will give everything a rating from 1 to 10 based on my personal likes and dislikes of either the product or the fish and ease of care of everything. And as always, please remember to smash that sub button. Helps me a lot when you guys do that. And let's get into the video, everybody. Today's topic is going to be a tank setup, and one that has quickly become my favorite way to set up tanks. The tank setup is, of course, a dirt substrate with a sand cap. I love doing this type of substrate in my tanks now, as it's extremely easy and cheap to do, especially when you're setting up multiple tanks. Now with these, the general rule of thumb for setup wise is 1 inch of a good potting soil or other kind of soil, and then 2 inches of sand on top to cap it. I personally use an organic potting soil from a farm up in Maine that has peat moss and various animal waste in it as a natural fertilization. Then I use play sand or pool filter sand as my sand cap. You can of course use aquarium sand. I just prefer play sand or pool filter sand as it is much cheaper and you can get more of it in the bag. So out of the 22 tanks I have, 12 of them currently have this method as their substrate, and I would love to convert more of my tanks over to this at some point as well. This is just an extremely cheap substrate method for those that want to grow plants in their tanks as well. The sand will allow for the plants to get a nice root system, and then as they develop, they will get down into that nutrient-rich soil, which will provide them with plenty of food to grow without needing to add extra root tabs into your tank, and will help give them nutrients until the fish can provide it naturally. The only thing you really need to look out for when you're picking out your soil is you're going to want to avoid any slow-release fertilizers or any kind of chemical fertilization in the soil, as that will likely kill your fish. If you're going for a natural aquarium look, this is a wonderful tank method to go for, with soil that creates a natural environment for your aquatic plants to grow in and thrive. It also helps create a more balanced environment for both your fish and other animals as well as plants, and will help complement those plants. Then the plants will help keep your nitrate levels down, and eventually there'll be a happy medium where you're not having to do as much water changes on your tank because your levels will find a happy medium and stay there. So in essence, you're basically creating a natural ecosystem within your aquarium that will run itself. Your soil will also slowly leach tannins into the water, which will help keep your fish healthy. And it's kind of like a natural stress reliever, kind of like when you take a vitamin or something to help boost your immune system. This is just going to help them relax and keep them healthy. Biggest negative to this method that I have seen on the internet is that there's occasionally going to be a small gas pocket which will force some dirt out of your sand cap, and a lot of people say this gas will be harmful to your fish. Well, by the time there's not enough time for that gas to dissipate into your aquarium, it's going to go up and just bubble out. I have seen gas pockets come out of mine and nothing happens to my fish. They're all fine. When you cap these, you'll also want to use a sand that's not too fine, as if the sand is too fine, it's going to mix into the dirt and just create a slurry mix. So just trying to avoid a fine particle sand. Like I said, pool filter sand, play sand is going to be a nice gradient for your sand. Given the extreme ease of these tanks to set up and the sheer amount of money that you would end up saving compared to expensive aqua soils or other expensive substrates, I'm giving these tank setups a 10 out of 10. And as always, thank you all so much for the support on the videos. If you're new here and enjoy this kind of thing, maybe think about hitting that subscribe button. If you've been around, hit the like button if you did not already, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about dirty tanks. This one's kind of a 50-50. People hate them or they love them. And as always, thank you again so much, and I will see you guys on the next one.